What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, we're also going to let her try out the new rotary cutter.
Oh gosh, this never goes well.
See how that goes. So these are both border stripes. So this one cuts the way that you try to cut, like this. Okay, so this time you're going to start cutting way down here. Oh. So push down now and go across. There you go.
How many do we need?
We need 4 cuts like this.
So start down here?
Yep. So y'all, whenever you start cutting your mesh, always cut before you get to your mesh. That way it's already rolling by the time it gets there. If you start here, it's going to take a second and then you always mess up.
Yeah.
The first length was 25 and these are 12. So on this one, what we're going to do is we're going to make little curls. So by little, we mean nice and thick. Don't make your turtles kite.
You got them twisted.
And then you're going to put this X in your bottom row. Yeah, stick it in there.
Like this?
Yeah, and then twist it tight. So y'all, on the top, we're going to curl the first half, curl the second half, and then ruffle it right down the center. And then she's going to add one of these to every other twist. Well, every twist, but we're going to alternate colors. All right, so we got all our mesh on there. Now we'll inspect it and see how she did.
I think they're all too loose.
I think they're all too loose. I think they'll be fine. All right, y'all, our frame is done. All right, y'all, we're gonna add our giant snowman on here. Y'all, I'm gonna take off the hook on his helmet. Y'all, so we're using our pick machine to add a steel pick to this pipe cleaner. That will allow us to glue
We should have made a wreath
a pick right into the back of his head so we can attach him to our wreath. Y'all, I'm going to put 3 pipe cleaners back here. Y'all, we're going to take this and add it right into our wreath.
In the middle or the side?
On the side. Our snowman head is attached officially.
Now we're making some bows.
Yeah, now you're going to make some bows. So how long did we cut these? Do you remember?
32.
32.
Oh, here we go with them.
Let's just go ahead and cut all 3 while we're at it.
Cut all what? All 3 ribbons?
Yeah. So y'all, we're cutting enough for all 3 bows, and they're all 32 inches.
Wait, how long?
How long does it go?
Going too fast.
You working or not?
Yeah, I like reading comments.
Well, don't be nosy. We got to make a bow.
That's not being nosy. y'all didn't see that. Whack me in the face.
You gonna tell them how big your loops are or what?
7 inches.
So how long was your tail?
8.
Yeah, 8-inch tail, 7-inch loops.
How do you get it to look like that?
I don't know what you doing.
Why doesn't it look right?
It's fine. Just keep going.
Learning.
Keep going, keep going.
Where's your bow? How about I cook it?
Y'all, she wants to stop. She's like, how about I dovetail instead?
They don't look right.
Watch. All you have to do is fix them.
Yeah, but like when yours is on this, it looks right.
Well, I've got about 6 more years of practice. Y'all, so we're gonna take 2 of our bows, add 1 to the bottom, 1 to the top.
We have 3.
Yeah, but we're gonna start with 2.
We're gonna start with this.
Yeah, we're gonna put yours in the middle. It's a little bit smaller than the other 2. Is the snowman still available? It was available when we started. I don't know if it's still available now. All right, y'all, so we added our ribbon tails to the top and the bottom, and now we're gonna add one right here in the center. Okay, so we got all our bows on here.
I also haven't been here in a while, so I think.
All right, so you're gonna start dovetailing all these?
Mm-hmm.
While you're dovetailing those, whichever ones you want. You want those? So while you're dovetailing those, I will start cutting your tails. We gotta put tails on the bottom. I think we should use this one and this one. What do you think?
Yeah, agreed.
We have a lot of people here for the first time. Do you want to tell them who we are?
I'm Stephanie and
I'm Damon. We own DecoExchange. We sell completed wreaths and all the stuff you need to make your wreaths. You can check out DecoExchange.com. So y'all, we're gonna cut tails for the bottom. We're gonna need 10 and we're gonna need them to be 14 inches. All right, so this is all of our ribbon tails. We're going to cut them at the top, cut them at the bottom, and now we have all 10 tails ready to go. How's it working out over there?
good. It's just kind of hard to see all the ribbons.
Y'all, so now we're going to take our ribbon tails, layer them on top of each other, fold them in half, and pinch it here. And then we're going to add one of these to every twist. You got this?
Maybe.
Y'all, also, if you're new here, you should also know that we teach detailed classes 3 days a week on how to make wreaths. You can check those out at wreathmakingclass.com. All right, y'all, our snowman is done. I think he came out cute. I would hang him like this. All right, y'all have a good night.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.